Ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm wasting your time creating this video because there's really no need for it. I mean, nothing happened on the show this Friday, but I'll create it anyway because I promised you guys that I'll keep you updated. Mamzobe threw his Kwama in the river, and guess what? They came back to the house. I know that most of you guys are tired of hearing about his Kwama. I also thought that this week was the last week we will be discussing in about his Kwama and Umkhokha. I thought that Mamzobe throwing them away was going to lead to a new and exciting storyline, but guess what? We're still going to be discussing the same Mamzobe and the same old Kwama even in this upcoming week. And I'm only feeling sorry for you guys because I'm still enjoying this storyline. So, most of you guys might know that Mamzobe was meant to throw his Kwama in the river as shown on the teasers of this week. Throughout this week, we're enjoying to watch Gabisile pushing Mamzobe and forcing her to release his Kwama, which gave Mamzobe no choice but to do something about it. So Mamzobe decided to go and consult his Sangoma to seek protection and advice, and the Sangoma advised her to take back the bags. I don't really know what made Mamzobe to think that throwing those bags in the river was the right way, but she went on and threw them in the river and she went back home. Which is funny because when she got back home, there was water all around the house and the bag was still waiting for her on top of the table, which clearly means that we're back to square one. If you think about it, ladies and gentlemen, this was bound to happen. I have said this even early this week when I saw that Mamzobe was going to throw the bags in the river, that I think Umkhokha was way better than what is going to happen if the bags ended up in the wrong hands. So ladies and gentlemen, that is what went on this Friday's episode. Also, does anyone know where the Nokubonga story is leading to? And if you look at it closely, Nokubonga came out of nowhere, and everything that is happening now with her story could have happened way back when she had a miscarriage. What's why they're bringing it now, I wonder. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of this video. Please comment in the comment section and share your thoughts and opinions regarding this topic. And if you enjoy content in this video, please press like, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and don't forget to share this video with your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.